Hello, my friends. It's me, Chris. Welcome to another episode of SIRENNET Television. It's Lightbar time. Code 3 and the Covert series is what I happen to have here with me today. Now, this is usable in one of two ways. You can take advantage of the Code 3 Z3 series siren and lighting controller, which is part of their matrix system. But for those of you who may not be doing that or using a different brand or upfitter switches within your vehicle, a great option for you to get, so don't forget this with your Covert light bar from Code 3, it is the serial interface box. So what this does is it takes the Cat 5 harness coming out of the light bar, plugs into this module here, and from there you get control input wires, which you can program in Code 3's matrix software. It's a really great designed system, drag and drop, letting you select from flash patterns, mode, functions, and all of that great stuff from Code 3. Now the bar here is a 52-inch length. Other sizes are available for complementing whatever vehicle you may be affixing this onto. So feet with a vehicle-specific hook kit, you can flat mount it direct onto the roof or thinking of a fire apparatus or brush truck, or third option is the pylon or headache rack brackets. So 3 different ones for the mounting. Now let's get to the fun part of this, shall we? Let's flip the switch here. And this bar is available for you in dual color and tricolor options. So I have here a red, blue, white, and amber flashing away. It's an amazing light bar, an exceptional bright warning presence when looking at this head-on or rearward, but the off axis, that is where this bar really shines, right? You have all the full functionality in your overhead light bar. So what you can do with that is scene lighting enhancements. We know that it is a great thing when it comes to the dual color and using white secondarily if it's not part of your warning flashing scheme. So what I can do here, apply power over to the other trigger wires through the serial interface. That is tying in scene lighting all across the front and into the corners, including the rear. For applications where you may just want to enhance your forward-facing takedown power, leaving your corners to be flashing, and speaking of corners, this is really great with this light bar. I like how Code 3 has taken this alley module and it's a tricolor. So not just white, but white, blue, and red. Yeah. Here is that other takedown mode. Just those front modules as mentioned. And there you have it. So when you're tying this in with the Z3 controller, the matrix system, for certain applications, you are going to be able to further enhance it with an OBD2 installation kit. But if you are not doing that for that enhanced vehicle functionality, you can still do some of these great things through the software, the serial interface box. So one little thing that I am going to show you here, and I think you'll like this, pay attention to the red that's facing me just now. It's what I'll refer to as a brake or a brake boost enhancement. So we're taking the lights, overriding them to just red. So we'll do that again. And one more time. So we'll give you a better look here on the back of the bar from the other camera. But what you can really do with that for vehicles is it's just simple enhancing your brake lights. It doesn't have to be when the bar is in a warning mode. It can just be when it's using it normally. So thinking of this for public work applications, but again, law enforcement, really great option there. And it's so simple, right? And it's all available in the Code 3 software. So there you have it, a look at the Covert series LED light bar available from us here at SIRENNET. I'm Chris, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with us on all the new episodes of SIRENNET Television to come. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you next time.